Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to do mass reversal in SAP. So the T code is F.80. Search your company. Then the range of document number which you want to reverse it. And the fiscal year, you should remember. And here is the reversal region which we discussed in our last video. So we select 2 and it is in the test run. So run that report. So at the top level you will see the documents that can be reversed. These are the 2 documents available that can be reversed, document number 18 and 19, and these are the documents which are already reversed or cannot be reversed. So our is 18, 19, and in your case if they are 20, 30, you just put the range and just select the minimum one and the maximum one. So in our case it's 18, 19, and if you click this thing, just one more thing, and check the header of this thing. So at that time there is no reversal is mentioned there, reference created by entry rate, that's it. Once we reverse it, they will show us that the document, the reference number, the reversed transaction number will be coming here. So going back, we will unsame with this thing, check the header, there will be no reverse reference. So we want to reverse 18 to 19. To 19. We reverse it. Posting date, this. So these are reversed. Mass reversal of document, number of document reverse. We open it, and now if we check this thing, see reversed by this, and the 18 document is reversed in 20th general entry, and reversal reason is 2. Okay, reversal reason is this, and same thing. Okay, we can check it out with this. So this is the reverse document generated against 18. 20 is generated against 18. So what we do, we just copy this number and FB03, and we search this document. So now if we open that document, you can see that it is the reversal of document 18, reversal reason this. So both document has, original document has the reference of the reverse document, and the reverse one has the reference number of original. So that's it. It's very simple for the mass reversal. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.